Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream without milk. We'll dive into creating a delightful frozen treat that's completely dairy-free, perfect for those with dietary restrictions or anyone looking for a new, delicious option. You'll learn the simple steps and key ingredients to whip up a creamy, satisfying dessert right in your own kitchen, ensuring a fantastic result every time. For our dairy-free ice cream, the star ingredient is full-fat coconut milk, providing that essential creamy texture. You'll need about 2 cans, totaling around 27 ounces. Sweeten it to your preference with about 1/2 cup of maple syrup or agave nectar. A teaspoon of vanilla extract enhances the flavor, and a tiny pinch of salt, perhaps 1/8 of a teaspoon, helps balance the sweetness beautifully. First, ensure your ice cream maker's bowl is frozen solid. This usually takes at least 24 hours. Next, in a large bowl, whisk together your coconut milk, sweetener, vanilla, and salt until everything is well combined. Pour this mixture into your pre-chilled ice cream maker. Churn for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until the mixture reaches a soft serve consistency. It's a quick and easy process. Now for the fun part, customization. You can swirl in fruit purees like raspberry or mango during the last few minutes of churning. For a chocolate version, simply add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder to your base mixture. Once churned, you can enjoy it immediately for a soft serve texture, or transfer it to an airtight container and freeze for at least 4 hours for a firmer, scoopable ice cream. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.